ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Bill Guile.
Good evening, everyone, and things are looking terrific for the Monster Jam event. Weather-wise, things are going to be nice and comfortable and dry with sunshine out during the day and pleasant conditions all around. In other words, the blocking pattern that we were stuck under for the past 2 weeks, even really 3 weeks if you want to get technical about it, is finally breaking, and that transition is happening today. So the upper level low that's been hanging around the northeast is now going to be moving on out and heading over towards Greenland, and high pressure is coming into the east coast, and that's great news for us because high pressure means nice weather, and eventually with the high getting offshore, it starts bringing in milder temperatures when the high is at the surface. Now already, if you look real close underneath the banner here, the sky is beginning to clear quite a bit, and that's setting us up for a nice, pleasant, but cool night tonight. Late tonight anyway. We're 59 degrees in Providence right now. The dew point is nice and low, nice comfortable air, and that's going to stick around like that through the weekend as well. But the wind is out of the east-northeast, and so that's one of the reasons the cooler air will continue to prevail through the overnight tonight. But this evening we'll be settling back through the upper 50s. Right now at this hour, though, we're hovering close to 60 degrees. In fact, Smithfield is right there, as well as Killingly, Connecticut, and up towards Norwood, Mass, along that 95 corridor. Still holding on to 62, and that's the high for the day as well. Down along the south coast, we still find some 50s taking shape and low 50s out on the Cape. But let's look across the country. And why are we warming up? Well, the rest of the nation is. That's why. And this is all coming in our direction. So that's what we have to look forward to. Nice 70-degree air moving into the region. Now, there are a couple weak weather systems back here, and we're actually going to hear from one of them Sunday night. And that'll be this little system. And then come Tuesday, there'll be another system coming in, which is just now beginning to work into the Pacific Northwest. That'll give us a slightly cooler regime for just maybe about 36 to 48 hours midweek. You'll see that in the extended forecast. But after that, we'll warm back up again. And that's the situation we're doing for the weekend because high pressure is moving in, and that's getting rid of the cool air to replace it with the warmer temperatures that are off to our west, just waiting to move into the region. So plenty of sun-filled skies for tomorrow. Just a few fair weather clouds for the afternoon. That high continues to drift offshore going into Sunday, so another delightful day. There'll be increasing clouds late in the afternoon towards the evening. Here comes that weak weather system I was talking about. It's going to move through late Sunday night after midnight with some rain showers. Doesn't last long, maybe 6 hours, because by daybreak Monday morning, it's gone and we're back to sunshine and very mild temperatures heading into Monday. So the forecast for tonight, again, calls for clearing skies through the evening. Our temperatures will bottom out in the low and mid 40s, but we'll be looking at that full flower moon out there tonight. Light winds out of the west. Tomorrow, bright sunshine up around 70 degrees, light northwesterly breezes. Let me give you an idea of how it plays up nice and close. So we start off with lots of sunshine region-wide in the morning. Our temperatures will be in the upper 40s, warming quickly through the 50s and into the 60s to near 70 degrees for the afternoon with just a few fair weather clouds around. And mainly clear for tomorrow evening if you have any plans. Temperatures holding in the upper 50s and low 60s. All right, let's look ahead. Sunday, another beauty. A threat of some rain coming in for Sunday night. Monday morning doesn't last long, and when it clears out Monday afternoon, we're back into the low 70s. Next system for Tuesday and Wednesday, a threat of a shower or two, but it does bring slightly cooler air. We're going back down into the low mid 60s, but it's brief. We'll start to turn warmer again heading in towards next weekend, going back well into